Hello YouTube! Now this is my first ever YouTube video, my first ever one. It's all about, I watched a clip earlier on today and it said just get started, so it might not be perfect for my first run and I'm using basic tools at the moment to record this video, but hopefully you get the idea of what I'm trying to do here. So I just want to give you a bit of a backstory about me. So I'm a self-employed estate agent. I currently have an estate agency business from my home, but I've had previous other businesses in the past, i.e. cleaning company, rubbish removal company, etc. Now the purpose of this channel is because of the pandemic, Covid-19, I've realised very quickly how important it is to have a second income, multiple streams of income, which I did back in the day. However, I found it very time consuming based on the jobs that I chose to do to get my multiple income, but there's other ways to do it now. So this channel is about that, and it's following my journey, following other YouTube channels and how they've done it and getting their suggestions and your suggestions and just following it really. Now this channel you'll be able to see my struggles in terms of following their strategy to try and make multiple streams of income. Now if you like what you hear and you're interested in this type of thing, feel free to press the like button and subscribe and put some comments in the comment box. Thank you very much for listening. My first ever video, nervous as hell, but let's get it done.